Today we're getting deeper into sign vinyl and looking at how to deal with more complicated vinyl designs. Here I've cut out a skeleton and pulled off the excess around the image, and now we're going to weed the design. You can buy weeding tools online and they work great, but chances are you have a pair of nail clippers at home with this little curvy bit on the end and they work just as well. Make sure they're clean first because, ew. All weeding the design means is that you're pulling the bits and pieces of the vinyl you don't want in your final design. Make sure you take your time with this because you don't want the vinyl to tear if you have a section that hasn't maybe been cut all the way through. You can use other tools for this as well, including things like orange sticks and dental tools. You just need something that you can use to pick up the edge of the vinyl to help you remove it from the backing. While you're watching this, you might be wondering how we're going to line up all the individual pieces of the image when we move it to the new surface. Unlike the last video where we just pulled it off and slapped it on, doing it with this design piece by piece would be almost impossible. What we're going to need is a transfer medium. You can buy transfer or application tape online and it works really well, but I found that clear shelf liner works just as well and is way cheaper. Plus, you can get it when you're running out to Target or Walmart or someplace like that. And we're talking about a price difference of $60 versus more than $30 for the professional stuff, and you're going to get the same results either way. What you're going to do is cut it slightly larger than the size of your image and peel off the backing. Then just lay it uniformly over the image and rub over the entire thing lightly with your finger. Then start slowly pulling it off of the backing, and if it doesn't pick up a piece of the vinyl, just lay it back down, press it a little more firmly, and then keep going. You want to do this until you pull the entire image off of the backing. Remember, this is just temporary, and we don't want it sticking so well that it's impossible to get off again later. They sell things like commercial brayers and rollers and that kind of thing, but we aren't making a professional storefront sign, so don't bother buying those things for your personal projects. It's just more money you don't need to spend. Once he's free, we'll take him over to the new surface and lay it on gently. Again, just take your finger and rub it over the image, and then we're gently going to peel the tape off, going back and rubbing down anything that hasn't adhered to the new surface before pulling the tape all the way off. And once you get the tape off, you are done. If you are a cool person and you want to join our community, make sure to hit subscribe. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And next, we're going to be talking about etching glass. See you in the next video. Bye.